Hey friends, it's great to have you here today. If you're feeling overwhelmed, anxious, or just need a moment to calm your mind, you're in the right place. Today, we're doing a quick 5-minute yoga routine specifically designed to help you beat stress and find your inner peace. First, let's start by grounding ourselves. Find a comfortable seated position on your mat or even on a chair. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold for a moment and then exhale slowly through your mouth. Let's do this 2 more times. Deep breath in and out. 1 more time. In and out. Now, let's move into a gentle neck stretch. Slowly drop your right ear to your right shoulder. Feel the stretch along the left side of your neck. Take a deep breath here, and gently switch sides, dropping your left ear to your left shoulder. Breathe deeply. Next, come to a tabletop position on your hands and knees. We're going into cat-cow stretches. On your inhale, drop your belly towards the mat. Lift your gaze and tailbone for cow pose. As you exhale, round your spine, tuck your chin and tailbone for cat pose. Let's do this 3 more times, flowing with your breath. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. From here, tuck your toes and lift your hips up and back into downward facing dog. If this is too intense, keep your knees bent or come into child's pose. Take 3 deep breaths here. Feel the tension melt away with each exhale. Slowly walk your feet towards your hands and come into a forward fold. Let your head hang heavy and maybe sway gently side to side. You're doing great. Now, slowly roll up to standing, 1 vertebra at a time. Once you're upright, reach your arms overhead and interlace your fingers, stretching up towards the sky. Take a deep breath here. Exhale and release. Finally, let's come back to our seated position. Place 1 hand on your heart and 1 on your belly. Close your eyes and take 3 more deep breaths, feeling the rise and fall of your chest and belly. Inhale, exhale. 1 more time. Inhale, exhale. Take this moment to thank yourself for showing up today. Whenever stress or anxiety creeps in, remember you have the power to find calm through your breath and movement. Namaste. If you enjoyed this quick routine, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Leave a comment below about what you'd like to see next. Thanks for joining me. Stay peaceful and see you next time.